Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some November beauty box unboxings. Got 3 here today, and of course I will have all prices listed on the screen and links down below in the description if you are interested in signing up for any of these. So the first one we are getting into is the Allure Beauty Box. And the subscription price should be on the screen right now. Alright, so the first item we got in this beauty box is 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster, and this retails for $135. This is the full size, and I've used this product before. I really do like this brand in general. I have not had any bad experiences with them yet. And this is what the bottle looks like. I'm not opening this yet, but I am going to use it. Highly recommend this product, so check it out if you have a chance. If you haven't signed up for this box before, totally worth it. Alright, so the next thing we got here is Viktor and Rolf Good Fortune Mini Replica. I think that's what it is, but this is the box here. This is a deluxe sample size. And I did look online what the sample size costs, and I think it was around $30 for this tiny little thing. And if you are getting a 3-ounce bottle of it, it is $168, so worth it in that sense. This is what the little bottle looks like. I do like these little bottles for traveling rather than bringing a whole big bottle with you, or if you're planning on going out and you want to keep that fresh smell. These are perfect to throw in your bag. And this one is not spray. It's got the little dab right there. I don't know if you can see it. You can just dab it on your skin. But this does smell really nice, and I really do like this fragrance. Alright, the next thing we have is Carloose Brush Bundle. This is the bundle right here, or how it comes looking. It says the larger one is for cream blush. Is great for base, foundation, and contour. Let's see, the smaller one is for eyeshadow concealer. So they don't tell you how you have to use it, they just recommend how you could use it, which I actually like in a brush, because a lot of these are very versatile and you shouldn't be limited to just one application of it. It's kind of like you can actually go to a art store. You can buy the paint brushes and use that as your makeup brushes versus going elsewhere. I mean, so that is like a personal choice. So I do like it when they embrace the fact that we are going to use them for different purposes and enjoy it. So here are the brushes. They are very soft to the touch. So I would imagine that I'm probably going to get a lot of use out of this. I like it when they're soft. And they are uniquely shaped. You can see right here. So yeah, I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to use these for, but I am definitely going to experiment with them. Alright, so the next thing we got is Ipsy, and this is a cream highlighter in Virtue, and this here retails for $20. Now I do have a lot of cream blushes currently, so it really depends on what this color is. This is not a color I'm probably going to need. I already have a lot in similar shades. See if you can see that there. See my ring lights too. But anyways, yeah, that's not a color I'm really going to use. So I'm going to put that into my next large giveaway. Alright, the next thing we got here is Cream Mains Hand Cream from L'Occitane. This retails for $30 for a 5.1 ounce. This is only I guess it's 10 ounce, so that would be, well, I don't want to do the math, you can do the math for me. But anyways, this is what it looks like. This is a really good brand, a really nice hand cream. And again, these smaller sizes I usually like for travel or for just going somewhere nearby or whatever, or throwing in my purse even. So I am going to keep this and use this because I do use a lot of hand creams, especially in the winter time. Alright, the last item in this box is Nurture Lab Tokyo Repair Treatment Mask. And this is what it looks like. The full size of this retails for $17. The full size is 6.7 ounces. This is only an ounce. I am definitely going to use this though, because again, I really like this brand. I've used their products before, and they're really good, so definitely using it. Alright, the next bag box we are getting into is Ipsy. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so first thing we got here is a Varney Holistic Skincare Rituals. This is tea tree oil. Oh, it's a restoring serum, a balancing restoring serum. And that's one side of the box. That's the other. I don't have the prices listed on hand, but I will look them up and put them on the screen for you. And this is what that container looks like. So I'm assuming, yeah, this is like a toner, almost like a toner. You want to put that on before you put your serums and your moisturizer on. This is definitely something I'm going to be using because I was running low on toners and balancing products like that. So very excited to have received that. Next thing we got is Tint Skin Afterglow Prime and Set Refreshing Face Mist. I'm not really sure how I'm going to use it, but I'm going to use it. This is what it looks like. In the winter time, my face is, of course, a little extra dry, so yeah, maybe I'll use this as a start thing. I don't know, but that is what it looks like. I think Pixie had a product like this come out too that I tried that I liked. So yeah, you see the oils and stuff in there. So this is definitely something you're going to want to shake up before you apply. This is probably also going to work best on powder versus cream products. So, but yeah, I'm going to give it a try and see how I feel about that. Okay, so the next thing we got here is, I can't even read the name of the brand, but it's a finishing powder, and that is what it looks like. And obviously it's a pressed one. This is some really cute packaging. I gotta show you this. That is super adorable. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to keep it for that, but I don't know that I'll get much use out of this product because I do have a lot of powders, and that is what it looks like. This is good for my skin, color, tone, whatever, but again, I have a lot of powders that I haven't even opened, and so therefore I think I'm going to stick this in the next large giveaway. Okay, so this next one is a oil-based luxury perfume from Gloss Modern. I did look up the price of this, and this small little guy here, and it is small, is about $90. So don't scoff at the size. Most perfumes tend to be more alcohol based, but this one is oil based, so the scent goes a little bit longer. I think they do make these a little bit stronger too. This is the bottle. I think that bottle's cute and tiny. It is roll on, so if you take it off here, you can see the roll on. So this is also a nice size where you could easily carry it with you wherever you go. This scent is universal, so it's good for both men and women. It's very gender fluid. So, and I do think it has a really nice clean scent, so I do really appreciate that. The last item in my Ipsy, I don't have the price on hand, and I think I've gotten this from BoxyCharm before, but I got rid of it, stuck it in a giveaway, or gave it to someone. I don't remember what I did exactly, but yeah, I have a lot of palettes with very similar shades in this one, and I'll show you. So this is going to go into the next large giveaway that I do. I don't know when that is going to be, but obviously sometime in the winter time. And these here are the shades. They are very pretty. and I really do like them. So anyways, yeah, that is the last thing in that box. We are moving on to BoxyCharm. So for the BoxyCharm, you got the card with the theme and the items and the prices. So we're just gonna go right into it. The first item I got here is Tarte High Performance Naturals. This is the Sunrise Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette that retails for $30. Tarte is a really good brand. You know, it's not, I would say it's medium as far as quality for the most part. I feel like it's overhyped a lot and people think it's much more amazing than other brands that I've used. But it's still a good company nonetheless. I don't think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this palette because I have pretty much, see if I can open it so I can show you the colors. I have tons of palettes with these colors and it's not offering me anything special or unique. And a lot of the other palettes that I have, I think the quality is better. So that is why I am not going to keep it. But again, it's not a bad brand. A lot of people love it. They do have a lot of really cute themed palettes out there, and I can appreciate that. All right, the next thing we got is Reveal. This is from Tint. I think I had something else just from Tint. Anyways, from Tint, this is a Reveal Spa Water Gel Mask. That's a mouthful. And this retails for $28. I love my face mask, so of course I'm going to keep this and use this and love it. I think this is like a leave-on mask. Okay, so it says to leave on 10 to 50 minutes, and then after that you remove the excess gel. But stuff like this is a must in the winter time, and I'm thrilled about that. I'm going to leave it out of the package because that's going to go straight into my bathroom. Because yeah, you know, winter, dry. I can't stand it when my skin's dry. So yeah, definitely using that. Alright, the next thing we got is Give Them Lala Beauty Mascara. This retails for $20. I've got a ton of unopened mascara, so this will be going into a giveaway as well. Again, it's probably going to be a winter one. We're still technically in fall, I think. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Nothing extravagant. I can't tell you if this mascara is good or not, but it's a black mascara, and who doesn't need a black mascara? Alright, the next item is another Tarte product. This is Juicy Lip in shade Rose. Now I have used this before. I actually have one right now that I'm using, and I can't complain about this product, but I have it in the exact shade, and I thought about keeping it because I like it so much, but the problem is I have drawers of lip products that I'm not getting through, so I think I'd much rather pass this along to someone else. So again, this is going in the next large giveaway. Let's see if I can get the name to show up. It is not showing up very well. Like, it's there, but you can't see it. But anyways, that is the shade, and this is a very sheer color. So even though you see that color right there, that is not how it looks on the lips. It is very sheer, and it feels very moist and wonderful. So yeah, very much a product I enjoy. All right, the last thing in the BoxyCharm is Soul, I think that's how you say it, hair tools. This is a mini heat brush that retails for $150. Definitely going to be using this. My hair is actually naturally curly, but I used a product in it that was supposed to smooth it, and it kind of made it a little bit straighter than it has been. I guess it looks okay. I don't know. You can tell me what you think, but I am going to try this out because why not? Not necessarily seeking to straighten my hair, just, you know, just it's nice to have something like that. I mean, that's what it looks like. But this, you know, this is great for traveling. You know, it's not too big, too heavy, or anything like that. So, if you want me to do a review on it, I can do a review on it. I can demonstrate it on my hair or whatever and let you guys check it out. just let me know down below your thoughts on that, if you want to see that or not. But that is it of all my beauty boxes. Let me know your thoughts of these products down below and these boxes. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.